Bitcoin, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And we have been looking to see the price tag even break the 100K. As you can see, the price even we see the breakout of the 100K, but is within the 100K range, and we see it's consolidating within that range. And this is the day it broke the 100K. Okay. Now we want to see what's the next. If there is a continuation similar to what we have here, following by divergence, this is what we don't like it. And even the day we see this move is almost dropped to near what we have been looking for. Okay, anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for. And if we refer to our analysis based on monthly chart, the price tag the 100K, and we mentioned after the breakout of the 100K, we are looking to see the 100 breakout of the 111. The reason we come up with this one, I mentioned we can expect the price to consolidate, or we see the correction within this range before we see the breakout. Okay, now, and we that means after the breakout, we're looking to see the breakout of the 111. Then from there we can look for 150 following by 180. Okay, but the only question is how long the price will consolidate within this range, and whether we can expect the correction turn to a deeper correction similar to what we had here or not. Okay, anyway, this is what we discussed, and that's why we see the price at the range of 100, which is giving us a correction. And mostly we want to see the breakout of this range. That's mean 100 following by 111 soon. If not, then it can turn to a really deep correction. And based on weekly chart, we don't see anything. The reasons we say, I'm highlighting with the deep correction. I'm referring to any correction similar to what we have here, because now we are based on weekly correction. That's mean if we get the deep correction here, a few months we will be within that correction before we see the breakout. That's why I mentioned we want to see the breakout of this zone as soon as possible. If it happen within the next week is good. If not, then we can expect what similar to what we have here. Okay, anyway, what we should do, we should look for the trade setup, but the only thing is we should be aware of that correction what I highlighted. That's why we come up with these lines. All right, if the price continues a corrective following by divergence, the next drop we can expect the price drop to any of this level before we see the continuation. Then if anyone wants to look for buy within this range, if there is a continuation, they should know how to manage if it doesn't move in our direction because of this divergence. All right, and is losing the momentum. But at this point, we are not looking for the reversal. That means we're looking for buy. But the only thing is how the price continue after, since the price is within the range of 100K, we want to see how sharp the price can break this zone. Okay, and based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup. And if we move to forward chart, all right, based on forward chart, I'm looking at this. First things you should know that even if this is a trade setup, the highest price we got is somewhere around 104. This is the top. Then if you want to look for buy from here, that means we're buying at the almost all-time high. All right, then if anyone wants to look for buy from here, they're looking at this one as a trade setup. Is a trade setup. If anyone looking at this one as a trade setup, we want to price sharply tag break and continue. And if the price tag we see is not moving within a few hours, we should take out the trade. We shouldn't keep the trade. Okay, and even if the price we get the trade for buy from here, the price retest the all-time 104, at least we should move over sub loss to break even. Then we're looking at this one, we're looking for buy, but we should consider that we are buying at the all-time high. Almost the price is at all-time high. And if we move to 1 hour chart, I don't see anything else. And if we move to again to forward chart, all right, based on forward chart, we see if we refer to the MACD, this is what we see, losing the momentum. Okay, that's why with the next move, if the price couldn't break the previous top, we didn't see the continuation, then we should be aware of divergence, the next drop, because we can expect the price continue. If we move to daily chart, we can expect the price continue as a corrective because we are within the correction, right? We can expect the movement similar to what we have here. This is where we have to be quite careful because any breakout at the top or low will be quite sharp. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.